Using several Gemini cameras, we've managed to capture and identify the true face of this mysterious object, an astronaut-like figure shimmering in shades of blue, red, and reddish blue. The data isn't wrong. It's a stunning quest, like a search for the sun itself, at a distance of 50,000 kilometers. The object is sinking inward. A comet has struck at its center, and within just a few weeks it has transformed from a faint dot into a distinct cone. It's under immense pressure, and now the search for its ultimate fate has begun. The calm and patience that once existed between the star-filled sky and the freezing vacuum beyond are no longer there. Yet something here still feels off. Why did our investigation reach this point so quickly? Why do we now see this pursuit converging on a blue-green cone? Physics offers part of the answer. As atmospheric temperatures rise, materials evaporate faster, reshaping the comet's geography as it plunges toward the sun. But the deeper question remains: could this be a spacecraft? What evidence do we actually have? Right now, its behavior is indistinguishable from a comet. That much is clear, and that's exactly what many were expecting. Yet its ultimate approach has grown more intense, and from this vantage point among the stars we can see much more than before. Its closest passage to the sun, its perihelion, is the point of maximum activity. At this moment, Earth sits on the opposite side of the sun, but by late December it will pass at roughly 275 million kilometers from us. Scientists aren't capturing these images just for beauty. They're probing the secrets of what some call the ancient eye of the sky, a kind of living record of early cosmic history. Carbon dioxide has been detected within it, and the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed even more of its hidden chemistry. During the recent lunar eclipse, ground-based telescopes recorded dozens of images showing a strange green tail at the object's end. Why? What is it? Astronomers explained that as the comet moved closer to the sun in September, observers used the eclipse as a backdrop for high-contrast imaging. In those pictures, a vivid green object appeared. Its brightness resembled that of a comet or a meteorite, yet its color, green, remained stable for several days. Green comets are not unheard of. Comet 12P was observed a year ago, glowing green as it neared the sun. Another, Swan 25F, showed similar behavior. This green glow is usually linked to dicarbon, pairs of carbon atoms that, under sunlight, fluoresce bright green. But in this case, no clear trace of dicarbon has yet been seen in the eclipse images. Astronomers suggest the gas may be trapped beneath the surface and only recently released, complicating calculations of the stone's chemistry. Meanwhile, NASA's SPHEREx telescope has mapped a massive carbon dioxide cloud around it, 350,000 kilometers across. James Webb, with its sensitive infrared eye, has confirmed an extraordinary abundance of carbon dioxide, along with carbon monoxide, mercury, water, and other exotic substances. Water, however, appears surprisingly scarce. NASA reports have debated the object's water content, and Webb's measurements seem to confirm the most recent predictions. Webb can't observe all these compounds directly, but by combining its power with precise mathematics, scientists can infer their presence. Earlier estimates put the object's nucleus at 21 kilometers across, but new data suggest it's between 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers, with its true size becoming clearer as it approaches the inner solar system. This intense campaign of observation and analysis, visible even from Earth, is revealing chemical compounds we've never documented before. That isn't surprising. This object may have originated in another system, even from an era before our own sun existed. It's a fragment from the ancient cosmic past, a secret hidden deep within the universe. Small yet astonishing, composed of H2O but rich in CO2, a chemical world whose green hue may signal dangerous chemistry. And yet, its trajectory is puzzling. Why this path? Why now? Why does it seem to hide behind closed doors? Some astronomers whisper intriguing theories. It passes stars from sensitive angles, eluding the star hunters who track such bodies. At times, it seems to harness stellar flybys, perhaps even gaining speed through gravitational assists like a probe might. Hypotheses range from the benign, simple outgassing, to the speculative, burning as it slings past a star, or even using stellar gravity to accelerate toward inner planets. Could it be sending information or spy probes toward Earth, Mars, Venus, or Jupiter's moons? Of course, logic says this is just a dry, inert interstellar rock. Our friend may simply be wrong. But is our logic actually sound? Experience shows the cosmos rarely conforms to ground-based logic. The universe is full of secrets. Every corner holds a surprise. First Oumuamua, then Borisov, and now this. When the extraordinary is possible, rigid logic falters. Could it be a spaceship? Maybe, or maybe not. As Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb puts it, science must keep its doors open to unusual possibilities, even those that seem far beyond our usual frame of reference.